Hi my people, good morning. I hope you're fine. My name is Caroline Kihugo and this is Caro on the Move channel. It's Monday 8th of July. Saba yako ilikupeleka aje? I hope it was okay. I'm just here to wish you a great week ahead, and for me, I'm just heading out. I'm going to work, and I might be away for work today for quite a number of hours, so I'm just heading out. I've not taken breakfast. I'll take breakfast on my way to work. I also want to go check on the extra seats, the other 5-seater at Madais. So yeah, that's the plan. First of all, go to work, go to Madais, get detergents. I think that's the plan. Today's fit, black hat, this blue t-shirt, it's actually our uniform. Cleaners do put on green t-shirt, whereas anybody else does blue. I'm also wearing black trousers and black shoes. Black shoes, black jeans, blue t-shirt, and a hat. Yeah, come along. I want to show you where I get detergents from, and I'm on the family bank side. Whenever you cross this road, on the other side, there is that Kachum. Yeah, this one. Get in through that Kachum. This shop with Mitungi is outside. Okay, they have closed right now, but this is where I get detergent from. They also sell chemicals. For me, I do buy chemicals and make my own detergents. I think they were late today. In case they are not there, you can also check them behind there. This is also their shop, but they have not opened yet. So I'll just go to Madai, then come back here after going to Madai, which I did, and I got chemicals after visiting Madai supermarket. At Madai supermarket, I got the seats I wanted, but then there were not the specific color I wanted, which is this one, which I already have the single set in my house. So I wanted that specific color, and since it's not available, I have to leave a deposit and get the seats later, which they will pre-order for me on a special order, and I'll get it later. But then they have very good seats and very great finishing. That's why I like their seats. And I know you may be asking, why can't I buy from the people around me, making them around me? Well, it's because I like their finishing. They have very good finishing. That is one thing that really made me happy about them. Hi, wonderful people of the internet. Good morning. I'm well myself. It's on a Tuesday, and I'm just doing fine. I woke up today. Woke up early, but I've not left the house till now. It's 1, and I want to go out. Although I've been working on my phone since morning, so I've been making job related calls, and now I want to go out. I need to do, okay, the car I used previously has a problem, and we need to get a car that we're going to be using, that we're going to use for Friday. And since also the owner of the car I used to hire also do waste management, so I'm going to negotiate for a car that we can use, and he can also use it for tomorrow and Saturday. So that's the plan. Then after that, I'm going home to the car. So yeah, that's the plan. I've also not taken lunch, so along the way I'll find something to eat. I'm a very cheap person to maintain, so yeah. Today's outfit. Here is today's outfit. I am a lover of black, actually. it's too cold, so I'm putting on this jacket, black top and black sweatpants and black shoes, also black socks. Yeah, that's my outfit for the day. So let's go and see if we are going to get, okay, I like planning earlier so that I'll have a better plan, so that way I'll know how to go about it earlier enough and also know where the money is coming from. Yeah, so I'll see you later once I'm at home in Thika. Hi guys, I got home and I don't feel alright. I don't feel okay. I feel sickish. And on my way home, I bought some things. These are ngwashes, the sweet potatoes. I bought them at 50 shillings. I love cornflakes, so I bought some cornflakes. Sugar. 2 packs of Mountain Fresh milk. Royal yogurt. I love the strawberry. I bought unga as well. Cooking chapatis, ungas. Also, I felt like my blood sugar was low. I bought glucose in my finger, so I just bought glucose and that's it. I didn't bring a lot of things. I just brought what I knew would not be available because my mom doesn't take sugar and she's the one who's been here alone. Now that I'm not feeling well, I want to rest a bit, and I know that I'll not be cooking supper. That one I'm sure of, unless otherwise I know I'm not be cooking supper. So most likely I'll just take the sweet potatoes and tea, and maybe I'm going to watch a movie after. Yeah, see you soon. Bye. Good morning guys, I hope you had a good night. I also had a good night and now I'm up. It's Wednesday, it's around 9 in the morning. I'm taking breakfast, then I have to go to Nairobi. Actually, I've been told it's called 87 Junction, on your way to Kino, Wayakiwe. So yeah, that's the plan. Take breakfast, go meet up. I am meeting up with somebody, and yeah, we need to exchange knowledge 1, 2, 3. And that's the plan for today. I'm having ngwashe and a cup of tea. I don't know why there are other cups and plates, but I prefer plastic. Or I find myself using the plastic all the time. Tell me why. Yeah, that's my full fit. Black cape, black jacket, red t-shirt, and black sweatpants. I don't know if I'm getting old. I'm why these days I love the sweatpants that much. You know, before I knew sweatpants are for being in the house, and these days I just don't want to put on anything too tight. I don't know if I'm growing old. I might just want comfort more. And I'm also going to carry the same bag I had yesterday. Yeah. See you later. Hi guys, I hope you're well. I'm back home and I'm very tired, and today I'm not do a lot because I bought supper on my way. I bought chicken in the Wednesday deal, the 3 pizza and chips. That's what I'm going to have for supper. And also I bought books. I bought 2 books. One is The Psychology of Selling by Brian Tracy, and the other one is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. I bought them around, you see those people who sell books, they're around Archives, Nairobi. Yeah, that's where I got them. A copy for 500 shillings. So the two of them are at 1,000 shillings. Yeah. And I don't have much today, and I plan on just taking shower, take dinner, and call it a night because I'm so tired and it's so cold. But the day was successful. The day was okay. So yeah, do have a good night. Today is on a Friday and we start our route early. So we are okay, mostly we start around this place, and it's gonna be a longer day today. So okay, here's my outfit of the day: a denim coat and jungle green jumpsuit, not jumpsuit, sweatpants and a t-shirt. I am a lover of jungle green as well. Na hii kofia ya mkulima. So hi guys, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. I'm back home. Home is in Thika at my parents' house. So I'm just going to have supper. And with supper I mean cereals, cornflakes and milk and a cup of water. And I know my mom will not be happy about it, but I'm sorry, mom. I'm tired and I'm not that hungry. And I'm also feeling lazy for tonight. So yeah, thank you. Hi guys, make breakfast with me. We are making pancakes and coffee. White coffee. Ouch. I'm not making too much pancakes because I'm just alone. Nego kweda, ukera bere. Nare nego kweda, ukera bere. Nare nego kweda, ukera bere. I promised we had nice cups, but then I prefer the plastic ones. Nare nego kweda, ukera bere. Nare nego kweda. Ukera bere. Here is my breakfast, guys. Pancakes and a cup of white coffee. Today is Saturday and I feel like this will be the end of our week's vlog this week. So if you've not already subscribed, guys, if you have not already subscribed,
kindly hit that subscribe button. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. It's been overdue, by the way. Tufanye ile kitu tufikishe 1,000. So yeah, if you already subscribed, pia unaweza onyesha marafiki, waambie kuna mtu anaitwa Carol anafanya vlogs. So yeah, thanks, bye till next week.